To customize screen colors in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find display and brightness. Select it and move down until we find the color scheme. Select it from the list, and then you can go for a vivid colors, saturated colors, standard colors, or go into advanced settings, which will allow you to change the color gamut options. So click on this arrow, and then you can switch between color gamut P3 or sRGB. I would recommend to watch some more in-depth videos about this if you want to use custom settings for this gamut, but if you don't, then you can just mess around here. It shouldn't break your phone. You can just adjust the colors, and if you don't like them afterwards, you can switch to standard or saturated again. Also, when you have three of the options selected from vivid, saturated, or standard, you can scroll all the way down and change the color temperature of your screen, which means it allows you to use this color wheel to pick a specific color tint to your screen. And then if you also don't like it, just make sure to select the default warm or cold options. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.